Hello everyone, welcome to Foos Cooking. Today's recipe is a paneer butter masala recipe. It's a very yummy and tasty dish. It's a North Indian dish. Those who haven't subscribed to my channel and those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes which are posted every day. In a kadai, pour some oil, around 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, put in jeera, 1 teaspoon of jeera, and let it splutter. Once it has spluttered, put onions. I put 2 medium-sized onions. Saute till light pink. Now add in ginger garlic. You have put crushed ginger garlic. If it's paste, you need to put half of each. Half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of garlic. Since we'll be grinding it later, I've put crushed ones. Cashews, around 12 of them. And now you have to put the dry powders. The red chili, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, both same measurement, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it for around 30 seconds on a low flame so that it doesn't get burnt. Now you have to add the chopped tomatoes. You have used 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now you need to cover and cook this for 5 minutes on a low flame so that the tomatoes get cooked faster. Now you can see the tomato has become well cooked and mushy. Now this mixture you have to grind it into a fine paste. Make sure you cool it before grinding. In a kadai, add some ghee or butter and fry the paneer. Fry the paneer till it becomes light brown in color. Now you need to add the ground mixture, the onion tomato mixture. And pour 1 cup of water to it. Since it's a thick mixture, I'll be adding some water, 1 cup of water. And cook for a few minutes. Now add in the garam masala powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. Mix well. It gives it a good flavor. Now it's a thick gravy. Now I'll add in milk, 1 cup of milk. You can add in cream as well, but I'm adding milk. It gives in the same taste as the cream. To cut the tanginess, I'll be adding sugar, half teaspoon of sugar. This gives it the restaurant style taste. Now add in the coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and mix well. Now you have to cover and cook for a minute on a low flame so that you get the good flavors of the coriander leaves. And your paneer butter masala is ready to be served. Serve it hot. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Chopped coriander leaves. You can serve it with parathas, rotis, rice, jeera rice. Hope you like this recipe. Do try it out and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. Those who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, share. Do come back for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.